free platforms for you that you can use to make money online. Now, all of these are legit, and I want you to pay close attention to all of these and follow all the steps and information that I give you so that you can get a full understanding of how this works and how you can actually earn money. Now, let's just dive into it right now. Okay, so the first platform, the first out of three, is called test.io, and I will leave a link to these websites in the comment section or in the description down below. Now, on here you can actually earn PayPal money, and we're gonna find out how you can do that right now. Okay, so first of all, when you go to their website, this will be their landing page. So this is their homepage. Now on here, you actually want to scroll down to the bottom, because like if you take a look at this has nothing to do with making money or you getting the opportunity to make money, right? This is just information about the platform, and this is more for the advertisers. So you want to scroll all the way down, and as you can see right there, become a tester. So once again, scroll all the way down, and then you want to click right there on become a tester. Let me do that right now, and then right there you can see that you can join our testing community, become a tester, and test the latest apps, websites, games, and get paid for every issue you find. So if I scroll down, you can see some companies they're working with: Revolve, SoundCloud, I'm not sure what this company is, Lacoste, Edmonds. So they're actually working with pretty big companies. And if I scroll down, we're gonna find out how this works. So you can earn good money, as you can see right there. You can work from home, and you can test the latest apps. Earn up to $50 for every issue you find. Can't find any bugs, no problem. You can also be paid for rating apps. So if you're gonna test an app and you find an issue, you're gonna get paid $50 just for finding that one issue. Now, of course, not every single app will have an issue. So if there's no bug, then you can still get paid for rating these apps. But you can earn up to $50 for every issue you find. Now you can work from home, so you can easily work from home or from your favorite place. Work the hours that make sense for you. So you can work from home, you can literally work anywhere if you have an internet connection. So you can work at the pool or wherever. Like I just said, all you need is an internet connection, and you can also make your own schedule. So you don't need to wake up at 7 and then start working from 9 to 5 or whatever. You can wake up at 11 and then do some work. It literally doesn't matter. You can work whenever you want and wherever you want. And then finally, once you got this set up, then you need to test the latest apps, and you can be the first to see the latest apps from top companies and cool startups, which is pretty, yeah, I would say it's pretty funny as well. It's not gonna make you more money or whatever, but it's pretty like cool to already get access to these new apps, right? Now, if I scroll down, I'm gonna show you how you can get started right now. So I'm gonna show you the process from registration to testing in 5 minutes. Okay, first of all, you will need to register at this URL right there. So testioplay.wpengine.com, and easily add all the devices you can test on. So they're gonna ask you for devices. So if you have an Android phone, an iOS device, or whatever, that's pretty much what you need to tell them. And then they're gonna give you more jobs, right? Now, next up, you can actually start your first test. As soon as you register, you will receive an invitation to your first test. So make sure, like, this is actually very important. This, like, the first test you're gonna take actually needs to be good, because if you're just gonna give like bad information or bad feedback, they're probably not gonna get back to you, and you won't be getting any tests soon. So make sure that you actually fit in or like complete this test correctly. So make sure you give detailed information, and don't just tell them like basic stuff such as I like how it looks, I like the color or whatever, but just explain to them what works and what doesn't work, what you find annoying and all of that, so that they can actually get good feedback from you, and you'll become a good tester on one of these platforms. Now, also guys, if you don't like this one, make sure you keep watching, because I actually have a few other ones lined up as well. So make sure you keep watching if you don't like this one. And after that, you can actually receive your first payout. You get paid from your first test run when you find bugs. And then after that, you can get more invitations. Receive more invitations based on devices you have, your interest and your skills. Earn while you learn. And then after all of that, you can actually become a testing king. Climb the ladder to test the hottest apps, or participate in exclusive test runs with more opportunities. So If you're just starting out, like the first test or the first few tests are probably not going to pay you a lot of money. But as you can see right there, you have to climb the ladder and then you can actually start testing the hottest apps and participate in exclusive test runs. And these are going to pay you a lot of money. Now, if I scroll down, you can meet a few of your fellows. So it's up to you whether you want to like check this out or not. Once again, I will leave a link in the description, but I'm not going to go over this in this video. If I scroll down, we're going to check out some frequently asked questions. How much can I earn? Most tests pay by the buck. You earn more money for more critical bugs, up to $50 for the most important bugs. You can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps or completing scripted test cases. So you're not just going to make money when you find a bug, you can also make money by reviewing apps or completing scripted test cases, which is pretty decent. When and how do I get paid? We pay once per month using PayPal. So as you can see right there, you can actually cash out PayPal money. You can cash out on Payoneer, Skrill, or bank transfer. But I titled this video about PayPal money, so you can actually cash out on PayPal and you will get paid every single month. What devices do I need to test? You will need access at least to a desktop computer. Beyond that, the more devices you have, the more opportunities you will have to test. So if you have a phone and a computer, you will get a ton of tests. More testers have one or more mobile phones, and some have smart home devices and wearables. Now, you don't actually need that, but if you have a desktop computer and a phone, you would be set. That would be perfect. Now, next up, what happens if I can't accept an invitation? We want to work with your schedule, so there's no penalty for not accepting an invitation. It's helpful to let us know if you can test so we can offer your place to someone else right away. Now, please test if you say you're going to. It's good karma and better for your fellow testers. So make sure that you actually test the app if you've said that you're going to test it. That's kind of important, which makes sense, right? Now, if I scroll down, that's kind of it about this one platform. Once again, I will leave a link in the description down below. You can sign up right there and you can start testing apps for these companies. Now, I actually found one more platform which is kind of similar. I actually found two more platforms that are similar. Let's get into this one first. So this is also an app where you can literally test apps and other platforms and you will get paid for this. So this is actually for advertisers. So if you want to become a tester, you need to click right there on become a test user. And then right there, you can actually sign up. Click right there. I want to become a tester. Now, if I scroll down, they're going to show you that you can earn money testing digital products. And you can also, once again, get paid up to 50 euros actually, which is more in dollars per study. So you can actually make more money on this platform. Now, if I scroll down, I will show you how it works. You can sign up with testing time, tell us a bit about who you are so that we can find test projects that you would like. It takes less than 3 minutes. Naturally, your profile will be used for matching purposes only. Then next up, you can accept this job and then you would have to test it and then you can get paid. So that's pretty much the same concept as the other platform. Where is it? Right there. So I'm not going to explain this step by step. This is exactly the same as the other platform. And here you can actually earn up to 50 euros per hour, which is actually a lot of money. Now, I found one more platform which a lot of you have already used. I got some subscribers make money on this website, and this website is called User Testing. So once again, it's the same concept. You will need to click on get paid to test, and then they're pretty much going to show you the exact same steps. So you can earn up to $60 per test, visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you can actually get paid. You can sign up right there, and once again, I will leave a link to all of these platforms and websites in the description down below. So if you want to check it out, make sure you go check out the description. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Click on the bell icon, and then I will send you a message with another way to make money online every single day. Make sure you leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. And then I hope you have a fantastic day. Peace out.